Make a great choice today with the 2024 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, tires front all season, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.